So let's talk about Ethereum. Our buddy is holding on to $2,500, and honestly, this is the most longest sideways movement structure in the most controlled manner that I have seen ever on Ethereum. Ever in a sense that if my memory serves right, it would be data from my mind of previous 1 or 2 years at large. You can see that it has a perfect range. $2,500 is the support area, and this is your upper limit. It always goes here, it touches that area, then it drops towards 2,500, then goes up and touches this area, then 2,500. So this overall nonsense is continuing, and we need to see 2 daily closings below the area of 2,500, and then we can say that okay, now finally it is losing. But that has not happened yet. We need 2 daily candles closing below it, not the wicks, the bodies of it, and as we can see, it is not happening. So as long as that doesn't happen, it will continue to go up, and this range is clear. The range is from 2,500 to 2,700, so it will continue to play this game. Now if it closes 2 candles above 2,700, that will dictate that okay, now the journey towards 3,000 has started. Previously I was relying on 2,800 as my first target, but I think that now changing it to 2,700 is a more reasonable area. It's a bit tighter, but at the same time it gives you room for the $300 upward journey. It confirms that okay, 2,700 is captured, and it will ensure that we wouldn't fall for any fake out. So far it has not closed a single candle above 2,700. You see a lot of wicks, but not a single candle with a body. So if we see 2 candles with the body above 2,700, even a blind man can tell that the overall momentum and things in Ethereum, they have changed. Now Ethereum is turning bullish, and we are going to go towards $3,000. That's going to be the first target, and from there I have to again evaluate and see that can we go higher from 3,000 or not. And that's pretty much it with Ethereum. I don't think that there is anything else to add. The cup and handle structure is still holding very well. This is good and bad at the same time. It is good for those who are in love with Ethereum. You have a cup, you have a handle, the structure is intact, 2,500 is holding. It's good, it gives you hope, because if this thing delivers, you can go to $4,000 without a problem. Okay, so this has a potential of flying towards $4,000. But the thing is that if this thing breaks, then this can turn into a really big bearish structure, and then finally we will be able to see Ethereum at really low prices. We have already seen Ethereum at 1385, so we will see it at the current lows, or maybe the lows of 2022 or 2023. And that's pretty much it with Ethereum. 2,500 is a decision-making area. It is sitting at 2,600, and it's not doing much. 2,600 is the middle between 25 and 27, so I wouldn't touch Bitcoin here. If I'm in love, I will buy it at 2,500 or long it, and if I want to sell, I'll sell at 2,700 or short it from there. Doing anything here is a bit challenging or disastrous. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video, or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.